In this lesson, we are going to talk about octaves. Now, the octave is a space between two notes that are in the same pitch class that are one octave register away from each other. So, for example, E3 to E4, that's an octave. E4 to E5, that's an octave. A1 to A2, that's an octave. You can also think about it the other way around, going from high to low. A5 to A4, that's an octave. E4 to E3, that's an octave. F2 to F1, that's an octave. So we're going to look at octaves in two ways. First on the keyboard and then on the staff. Before I talk about it and break down, we're going to watch a video that's going to maybe help you understand it a little bit more because you're actually going to hear some notes and I'll be able to explain along the way. This is example 49. Great. So we can see the octave. Oct, like octagon, like octopus, is 8. Octopus has 8 legs. So octave means 8 notes. And you can see, sure enough, from C4 to C5, that's 8 notes. C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C. That's 8 notes. Now back and forth between C4 and C5. Think about that 1 and 8. Now here's going octaves of B. In this case, this is B3 to B4. And again, there's 8 notes of separation. You can see B, C, D, E, F, G, A, B, 8 notes, octave. And when you hear those playing back and forth, when it's going... Now listen as it goes back and forth between the B's, because what it's showing you that, like we talked about, there's this family similarity between these B's. Even though one is much lower than the other one, there still is this common element between the two of them that your pattern recognizing brain might be picking up and going, yeah, there is something that sounds the same about them, even though one is much lower and one is much higher. Now we're going to do octaves of A. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, A. That's 8. Octave. From A to A. And see, we can go from high to low, we can go from low to high. Still an octave. Now talking about G. G, A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Just going up the basic musical alphabet by 8 gets us to G. 8 notes. Now F to F. F, G, A, B, C, D, E, F. Count them. F, G, A, B, C, D, E, F. 8 notes. That's the octave. And hear the similarity between the Fs. One's lower, one's higher, but there's something similar about them. That's an octave. Now talking about octaves between E. E. F, G, A, B, C, D, E, that's 8 notes. Octave. And hear the similarity between the E's. Low, high, but similar. One more. The octaves between D's. D, E, F, G, A, B, C, D. Up 8 notes on the basic musical alphabet. That's the octave. I will see you in the next lesson. Hey there, if you want to learn more about music theory, I highly recommend right now going to grab the 10 things everyone should know about music theory. It's a free download for you that you can get right now. There's a link in the description, also in the pinned comment below this video. So what are you waiting for? Go grab that thing and I will see you in the next video.